This is another one of my videos. And this is a video about my dogs. So, I have a little dog named Poppy. We got her in Costa Rica. Many people think I came from Puerto Rico. It's Costa Rica. I don't come from it, but I just moved for a while. And then we just got her. She's a Papillon and a wiener dog, and she's weird. She's not like a PetSmart or Petco. You got her from, they just found her, someone was like torturing her, and they found her and took her, and we found her, and she's a nice little dog. She makes these funny faces a lot of times. And she dances sometimes. She probably won't do it right now. She's too tired. And then I have another dog. Her name's Cele. The little dog will do whatever this dog does. When she barks, Poppy will bark. Her name's Cele, the gray one. She's pretty much does everything. She's a long-haired Weimaraner. Her name's Celebration, but we call her Cele. She's really nice. If you met her, she's a good dog. That one right here does everything this one does. She's kind of like it's weird.